Hello again, friends. Welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this rechargeable battery charger for Xbox controllers. So this is pretty cool. This features overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, and over temperature protection, and over volt protection. So this charges up 4 batteries at once, and these batteries are 2000 mega amp hours. So check that out. That's pretty sweet. It's got the Xbox paddle logo on there. I like how small it is, a real space-saving design there. This comes with a USB to USB plug-in here, where we can just plug it right into the side here and charge those up. And also it comes with 4 of these batteries here. So that's pretty sweet. There's 4 of these guys, 2000 mega amp hours. And that's really a decent charge time. So if you play Xbox a lot and you're tired of getting like buying batteries or whatever, we can throw these in here and just charge up our things. Let's see if they go in there. Should only go in there one way. Yeah, there's a little knobs in there that line up with the battery top, so you can only put it in here one way where it's actually going to charge. There we are. So that's pretty cool. Anyways, let's go plug this in and see how it works, my friends. Alrighty, well, here's the setup here. Come over here, and I really like how the battery charger is all like lit up here. Has the nice light around the side, kind of matches the color of the Xbox thing there. And then these go in, like I said before, they have in the bottom, they have that little knob there. So that matches right there. You want that 2000 facing outwards. That's just going to click in. As soon as it does, it tells you which one's already charged. When it's green, it's charged around there. Like that one's charged up, and then the red ones are still charging, so that's really cool. And then when you're done, just pop them out, stick them in your paddles, and you're ready to go. But this is going to support basically unlimited play. You can have 4 batteries going, and you know, if you got one paddle, if you game a lot, just take the batteries out, throw another one in there, and put the other one on charge. You don't have to purchase a bunch of batteries or anything. This is going to be a really nice addition to your Xbox inventory. So thanks for watching, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.